kitchen. Today I'm going to make fluffy, perfect Persian rice with crispy potatoes. Let's start. The ingredients are as follows: 2 cups of basmati rice, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 medium potatoes. I've already peeled and sliced them and soaked them in water, saffron as a garnish, cooking oil. I prefer to use coconut oil. I've already washed and soaked the rice in 6 cups of water for about an hour. While it was soaking, I added the salt. Soaking is going to help you to have a better and fluffier rice. Now I'm going to cook it. I'm going to cook the rice at high heat until it boils. Now that it's boiling, I'm going to turn it down to low heat and I'm going to let it cook for another 10 minutes. As you see, my rice is ready. It's doubled in size. I don't want to cook it all the way through. Now it's ready to be strained. I get the extra rice. I'm going to wash it with the cold water. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons oil. I'm going to add a little bit saffron. Now I'm going to add the potatoes. Now I'm going to add the rice gradually. If you don't want to add potatoes in the bottom, it's okay. Just add 1 tablespoon oil and after that, just add your rice. Now I'm going to create some holes. These holes is going to help the steam to come on the top of the rice. As I mentioned before, I didn't cook the rice all the way through. I'm going to add half of a cup of water. And I'm going to put the lid on, turn it to the high heat until I see the steam. As you see, the steam comes out. Now I'm going to cover the lid with a piece of paper towel. The paper towel is going to help you to get rid of extra steam so you don't end up with a mushy rice. I'm going to turn it down to the low heat and I'm going to cook it for about an hour. Because I soaked my rice, it took me 15 minutes to cook it. But if you don't soak it, it takes about 30 minutes to cook it. After an hour, our rice is ready. Yes, look at it. It's fluffy, it's nice, it's ready to be served. So I added some rice in saffron to use it as a garnish. As you see, it's a nice, beautiful yellow color. If you didn't add potatoes on the bottom of the rice, you don't need to cook it for an hour. 30 minutes is enough. Here is the final product. The crispy potatoes are to die for. It's easy to make and delicious. And if you live on a budget, you can simply serve it with eggs or steamed vegetable on top. Bon appetit!